Boom. Financial Freedom 56. All right, here we go. In today's video, we're going to dive into the specific details on exactly how many rentals you need to retire. Exactly how many rentals you need to be financially free. Now, stick around to the end of this video because the end of this video, I'm going to provide you the visual of the breakdown of all the numbers that we're going to cover in the video. Okay? Now, make sure that you screenshot it, save it, watch the video again. Every detail I will simplify. The ultimate goal is financial freedom. The way we achieve financial freedom is through passive income. Passive income is the answer. Passive income is the solution. Passive income is everything. So, unless we have enough money to go buy a bunch of rentals today, we need to start creating active income through wholesaling and rehabbing and using those profits to buy rental after rental after rental. The question that we're solving here today is how many rentals do I need? How many down payments do I need? Write that down. How many down payments do I need? That is what you need to know. If you want to achieve financial freedom through passive income through real estate, you need to know how many down payments do I need? Spoiler alert, 13. 13.0 for today's example. All right, here we go. Now, keep in mind, numbers I'm about to go through with you here, these numbers can be updated, changed, adjusted to you, okay? This is just a strategy and a process. You need to learn the strategy, you need to learn the process, and then you can plug your own numbers in. But the bottom line is, let's talk about one rental right now, okay? So if we're gonna go buy a rental and create passive income, the numbers we're using today is that the purchase price for the house is $200,000. We're gonna put 20% down, which is $40,000. Write that down, $40,000. That's 20% down payment of a purchase price of $200,000. Now, the next thing we need to know is what's our interest rate. The interest rate I'm using today is going to be 6%. Okay, over the years it's been a little bit lower, and the last couple of months it's been a little bit higher. But bottom line is today it's 6%. Now, with that said, we need to factor in our taxes and our insurance, and that's up to you. Remember the key concept: how many rentals do I need to be able to retire? So, with that being said, the rent that's coming in on this particular property is going to be $2,240 is the monthly income, monthly rent coming in. We're always going to take out 5% for vacancy, 8% for property management, and 8% for repairs. So when you take the total debt for your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, for your vacancy, your property management, and your repairs, and you bring in an income of $2,240, you're going to have a total cash flow of $422 on this particular house. Again, don't worry too much about these numbers. Okay. Now, with that being said, $422 is the down payment, or is the cash flow. It's the net cash flow after everything. With that said, that's a 12.7% ROI on your money. Very good, 12.7% ROI. Now, it's also giving us $422 a month in cash flow. Now, let's say that we were going to go buy many of these houses over the course of the next couple of years. How many of these do we need to buy to achieve our financial freedom passive income goal? Well, for this case, let's say that your total monthly expenses on a personal basis every month are $5,000. I picked an easy number so you can adjust that. You can easily double these numbers, which makes things really easy. So if $5,000 a month is the total monthly expenses, you need to have a little bit more than that in passive income. So let's say that the passive income goal is $5,500 a month, $500 more, $5,500 total. Well, $5,500 divided by $422 is exactly 13. We need 13 rentals just like this one to reach the $5,500 a month total passive income goal, to be financially free, out of the rat race, and not have to work. So remember the key concept, one of the biggest takeaways that so many people do not focus on, that you're only going to get right here at Financial Freedom 56, and that is, how many down payments do I need? Because if you're looking at it as down payments, how many down payments do I need? You're looking at $40,000 for one down payment 13 times. Don't bother taking 13 and multiplying it times 40 to see how much you need total, because that doesn't really matter. What you need to know is I need 13 $40,000 chunks. Why is that significant? Because remember, the only thing you're working on right now is creating an active income stream through wholesaling and rehabbing. So every time you do, 5 wholesale deals and you got, $8,000 for each of them, you got 40 grand, right? So now we're breaking down this financial freedom goal into small chunks of what we can do right now. The only thing to do right now, and the only thing to do right now, is to know that I will get 1 down payment if I close 5 $8,000 wholesale deals. Or I'll get 1 down payment if I close 1 rehab at $40,000. Or maybe if I do an $80,000 rehab, then I'll have 2 down payments. And if that same month I close 5 wholesale deals, I just bought 3 homes in 1 month, and I am well on my way to 13. So in the next video, we're going to dive into details on what to do now specifically to accomplish the wholesaling and rehabbing goal. The wholesaling and rehabbing goal. How many wholesales do I need to do? How many rehabs do I need to do? What should I be doing to start that process, knowing I need 13 $40,000 chunks? I told you right from the very beginning, you stay here, you stick here, you're going to get what you need. You're going to get what you need. Now, if there's anything more specific that you're looking for, write a comment. Tell me. I'll film a video for you. I'll film it for you. Let's do this. Financial Freedom 56. Let's go.